Located in Brickell Key. A new luxury residential tower is coming to Brickell Key. 66 stories and 228 residences. Unobstructed panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean, Biscayne Bay, and the Miami skyline, 24/7. Dedicated residential team trained by Mandarin Oriental, allocated self-parking space for every residence. Direct access to 1.5-mile bay walk along the Brickell Key waterfront, planned infrastructure for dedicated EV charging stations for every residence, gated access with dedicated 24-hour security. 12-seat conference suite, 2 reservable private meeting rooms, 2 flexible work lounge spaces, communal work area, library with curated literature collection, complimentary printing services, self-service kitchen and pantry facilities. Lounge pool, children's wading pool and splash pad, hot tub, staffed children's playroom with child care services. Mandarin Oriental's signature spa, featuring award-winning services and treatments and unparalleled in serenity and privacy, personalized treatments, unique retreats, and curated fitness practices dedicated to holistic wellness and anti-aging. Indoor and outdoor treatment rooms, enveloped by lush greenery, tea garden for moments of calming respite, forest yoga lawn alongside multiple meditative garden spaces, wellness pool deck with private cabanas, hot and cold therapy, including sauna, hot tub and cold plunge. Residences. Private elevator and lobby to each home. Gracious entry foyer with arrival portal, main entrance featuring double door with keyless entry, midnight bar including refrigerator and ice maker in primary bedroom, laundry room with side-by-side, front-loading washer and dryer. Reserve your heaven of luxury at Mandarin Oriental with a simple 10% reservation deposit. Call 786-361-9956 for more information.